Hey, what's up guys? It's Drumnet and it's Jimmy here. So, Jimmy nak share dengan korang sikit walkthrough about the mics I'm using for Vintage Moderato 3. So, I will run through the mics on the kit, starting with the snare. Untuk snare, top Jimmy guna Sennheiser 606 because it's my go-to mic to capture the snare. Other options, sometimes I like to use 57 also, it's just a different position and capture. Bottom, Jimmy guna Beyerdynamic condenser clip-on. It's a TG D71, which is the bottom. Dia clear sikit, dia condenser, so Jimmy dapat capture yang lebih transparent, you know, very type of bright, high kind of tone, clearer lah. So I also use on the toms, Beyerdynamics TG D58, TG D58, which are also condenser tom mics, and it's cool because it's nice to have condenser on the tom mics because, as I say, they're transparent, so you can really capture the whole highs of the toms and also the low parts of the toms. So dia macam HD sikit, but it's cool, man. So condensers on toms, and then let's move to the overheads. So on the overheads, I'm using Beyerdynamic 153. So they are condenser pen overheads also. Dia kecil je. So you can just put it up there, position them wherever you want it. And then for another overhead atau close miking, another way, Jimmy gunakan RE320. So this RE320 by Electro Voice is capturing this part of the kit as a whole. You know, so I use the two overheads, the 153 Beyers, to capture cymbals, some brighter tones. And then for this one, I capture the whole drum set with the whole tone this angle. So you kind of like have more options lah. You nak blend mic ni ke is up to you. So these are the mic choices near the drum. Next I want to share with you is the two room mics yang kat sana tu, kiri dengan kanan. Biasanya Jimmy dulu dapat guna satu room mic je sebab tak cukup lines and stuff like that, but now we have added a bit more lines, so I can use stereo room now. Is that my phone? It's my phone! So anyway, Jimmy boleh guna stereo room now. I'm using Ludwig LCT 440s, Ludwig mics. So they're taking a stereo image dari depan. So that mic also I can use to blend dengan semua mics. Lastly adalah dalam kick drum. So I'm going to share with you in the front. Sekarang Jimmy akan tunjuk mic yang last kali yang I use for the kick drum. Untuk kita cakap kick out mic, maybe I'm using a Sennheiser 6022, which is pretty standard. Sometimes Jimmy suka masuk straight in or I leave it half out depending how much sub-V kind of stuff I want to capture. Ini adalah kick out mic, you know, 6022 Sennheiser, but my favorite mic is always inside. And it's always, I will always use the TG D71 boundary. My favorite. So dia capture everything I want inside and I blend together with the kick drum mic outside. Kadang-kala I will have another kick drum mic here and maybe another mic there if I can. But hopefully I get more mics in the future and hopefully we get more lines so I can share with you more funky stuff that I like to do. So check it in, check it out, check it over. Jimmy signing out. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and then follow our Facebook and Instagram. Okay, bye.
Drumnet.